Technically speaking, this setup is very good for the market to go up from here. Now let's see how the market reacts on Monday to the geopolitical situations. Stalkers, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be very interesting. Watch out till the end as I see many good opportunities in Dubai stock market. With that, let's start the video. This is the weekly chart of Dubai Financial Market Index. After the breakout of this bullish pattern right here, market broke to the upside. It touched the resistance of 3,500. I have been mentioning about this zone right from this level that market will soon make a bigger move to the upside. Yes, if we talk about the trend, we are still in a strong uptrend. Market is respecting this blue line, that is 20-day moving average. Now let me move down to daily chart and show you something very interesting. Pay attention guys, this is an advanced point and it will help you improve your trading as well. Currently we can see last week market was all in red, all the red candles as you can see, and last closing is in green. This is a good setup. We can see support right here. I had mentioned two important support zones in my previous videos. If you have missed it, link is in the description box below. This is the 20-day moving average that acts as a dynamic support and resistance. So this level was the first support zone. Second support is this swing, that is around 3,340. Market took a pause here and then it broke to the upside. Now talking about the retracement, we can see from here market took a retracement. If we see market have almost touched the golden ratio of Fibonacci. This is the swing low and this is the swing high, so I mark it till here. We can see market have touched the golden ratio of Fibonacci level, that is 0.618%. Also at the same time, it's coinciding with this 20-day moving average. Now let me remove the drawing so that you can see it clearly right here. So this is important Fibonacci level, that is around 3,360. At the same time, we are seeing 20-day moving average coinciding with it. This is called confluence, making a stronger probability that market is now ready to move upside after this correction. Now at the same time, we are looking at the geopolitical situations as well. Let's see how the market reacts on Monday. Market's favorite, Emaar Properties. When it touched 5.10 and people saw this red candle, many of you messaged me and said that now Emaar will come down, it will start a new trend to the downside. Now understand something guys, when a stock is in a strong uptrend, just a small move to the downside is called a dip. This dip is most likely a buying opportunity. It cannot just make a U-turn from here and start making lower lows and lower highs to start a downtrend. This is not possible, especially if it is a blue chip stock. Now also I had mentioned on my Instagram, when I saw this pattern, I said Emaar is ready for a breakout. You can keep your stop losses just below 5.15 and now you can target 5.50 for a swing trade. Yes, 5.50 is a bit far. You can take this as a swing trade. It have already shown us a breakout. Volume is also looking good. As you can see, more institutions, more retailers are buying. Also at the same time, we can see it has spent some time right near the resistance zone. So most likely this breakout cannot be a fake and we can expect more buying pressure coming in to push the prices higher. Yes, at the same time there are possibilities that it might come back to retest this level, that is 5.25, again take a bounce to go up. Any weakness in Emaar is purely a buying opportunity. Dubai Investment Company, a very good stock that I have been recommending for weeks. It's in a strong uptrend. We also saw it was in a bullish chart pattern. This is called ascending triangle pattern. It came down for a retest. It did not break important support zone of 2.20. Again, it tried for the second time and this time it was successful. We can see this is the resistance zone. Market was trying to cross again and again. Before the breakout, I had posted the video on my Instagram handle. If you are following, definitely you can relate to this. Now here is a good example of how resistance and support works. This zone is resistance for the market, that is 2.30. Market broke the resistance. It came back for a retest. Retest was also successful. When you see this candlestick pattern, this is again your buying chance. If you have missed your trade right here, this can be a good place to enter. Now market is gearing up to break the resistance of 2.40. Overall, this is very bullish. We can expect more upside. Many of you have requested for Emaar development, so here is my detailed analysis on this stock. We can see previously Emaar development made a huge move to the upside, and after making a big move, market corrects itself. There are two ways typically market can correct itself. One is by price and second is by time. Let me give you an example. We can see market made a big move here. It corrected itself by price, again a small move, again a correction. Again a big move, and now market is trying to correct itself by time. What I mean by time is market will just spend the time below the swing low of this big move. We can see at the same level market took a bounce again, and then market tried to cross the resistance, it got rejected. Previously the same zone was acting as support, now it's acting as resistance. Very importantly, it's not yet ready for a trade, but we have to keep this in our stocking list. What I mean by stocking is keep a close eye on this stock, how it's performing at the resistance level. Where is the resistance? 4.40 is a strong resistance. Market is now spending time right near the resistance. It means it's getting ready for a breakout. This can be a good setup, this can be a good trade. If you're planning to enter, you should just wait for it to cross 4.40 and immediately buy. Your first target should be 4.60 right here. Your final target should be at 4.70, which is the previous resistance zone. Guys, if you are enjoying my videos and learning something out of it, do not forget to support the channel. Hit the like button, it supports me, it motivates me to post more and more videos. And if you are serious about stock trading, if you want to learn technical analysis in detail, link is in the description box below. Get in touch with me. Let's talk about Air Arabia now. We saw market made a big move to the upside. After a big move, what usually happens is market corrects itself by price or by time. Now market have spent a lot of time here right near the resistance, and it's getting ready for a breakout. Market is positive on Monday, we can expect more upside move. Important and a strong resistance is between 1.75 and 1.70. We can expect some kind of reaction once market is in this zone. For now, it's looking very bullish, more upside expected. EmiratesNBD Bank, after hitting all-time high of 15.50, very next day was the dividend day, market gapped down, and we saw market spend a few days near the support zone, and from here market is making all bullish inside candles, meaning these two candles are within the range of previous red candles. We want to see a breakout. If market breaks out the upper range, that is around 15.00, it's a good for buy. It will cross all-time high of 15.50 and move upwards. When market hits all-time high, there is no previous resistance on the left hand side, so technical buyers gather momentum and push the prices to the upside without any resistance or without any fear. At the same time, if it breaks the lower range, that is the support zone of 14.50, we can expect it to come down around 14.00, that is a strong support zone as of now. Dubai Islamic Bank, after the distribution as expected, it gapped down. This is the first green candle after the distribution. The most important thing here is after the gap down, market should hold. It should not fall any further. If it falls any further, it means that institutions and big boys are offloading the position. Here it clearly says that big boys are holding the positions even after taking the dividends. Now, most likely market will come to fill up the gap. It's a good trade for short term. You can enter at the support zone, that is around 6.00, and target 6.20 for short term gains. If you are a swing trader, you can target 6.40. Slowly and steadily you will see market will retest the resistance again. This was Dubai stock market, guys. Up next is ADX later in the day. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.